Let us see the first question of the second bit from the same exercise 4. And here the question is, we have to verify whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. First polynomial, is it the factor of second polynomial or not? We have to check. Generally, when does it become a factor of the second polynomial? When you divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial, if you get the remainder 0, then you can say that it is a factor. Now let us verify, do we get remainder 0 or not by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Yes, here the question is t square minus 3, first polynomial t square minus 3, and second polynomial. You know that how to divide, already we have discussed in our previous question. And first term, we have to follow the step. First term of the dividend, and here what is the first term of the divisor? That is t square. 2 t's gets cancelled and 2 more t's are left, that is 2t square. Now that becomes first term of the quotient. You multiply this quotient by the whole polynomial 2. So when you are multiplying, you multiply the symbols, the signs first, secondly that constant, and thirdly variables. Place into place, plus 2 into 1 because no quotient, so 2 into 1, no constant, so 2 into 1, 2. T square into t square, t to the power of 4, and minus into plus, minus 3 2's 6t square. So that 6t square I have taken here because they should be grouped, like term should be grouped, because we have not got t cube, so you take t square just below t square, and you know that plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, they both get cancelled, and what are left, you write in an order, because already it is in order 4 3 2 1, you no need to change. But sometimes in the questions the given polynomials will not be arranged in an order, zigzag order, like 3 2 4 1, like this, but we should arrange in descending order of powers. 3t cube, and here it is plus minus, plus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 4, plus 4 t square, and minus 9t is there, and go to next. And here again second step, we know that second step, what is the first term of the dividend should be divided by the first term of the divisor, that is t square. 2 t's gets cancelled, 1 t is left, so 3t, so finally we get 3t, that is plus 3t. This is the second term of the quotient. That second term of the quotient should be multiplied by the whole polynomial. Plus into plus, plus 3 into 1 3, yes, t into t square t cube, t into t square t cube, and plus into minus, minus 3 3's are 90, minus 90, yes, and now plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, they both get cancelled, and what are left, you take it down, 4t square, this also get cancelled, and finally one constant is left, that is minus 12, I have written down. And now the third step, what is the first term of the dividend? 4t square by the first term of the divisor, t square gets cancelled, and 4 is left. That becomes the third term of the quotient. The third term of the quotient 4 should be multiplied by the whole polynomial. 4 into t square, 4t square, plus into minus, minus 4 3's are 12, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus 4 minus 12 plus 12, so all terms got cancelled, and finally we have got remainder 0. It means this is the remainder. So what can we say now? We can say that in the result you can write here the remainder is 0. So therefore the first polynomial t cube t square minus 3 is the factor of the second polynomial. So like that your answer should be. And let us continue this one more question from the same page. Yes, this is the first polynomial and this is the second polynomial. As usual, just to follow, just like the previous question. So we have to divide this x to the power of 5. Is there x to the power of 4? 5 is there, 4 is not there. So just like the previous question, you can take x to the power of 4, 0 x power 4 to avoid the confusion of the students. And minus 4x cube is there, square is there, and x also is given and constant is given. This should be divided by the first polynomial. So this is the first polynomial, x cube minus 3x plus 1. Yes. So this we have arranged in a proper order because no power 4, that's why we have taken 0x power 4. The second polynomial by the first polynomial. If the remainder is 0, then you get this is, you can say that the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Otherwise, it will not be a factor. So let us see. X to the power of 5 is minus 4x cube, but here no x power 4. That's why I have taken 0x power 4 and plus x square plus 3x plus 1. And here this is the first polynomial. As you know, the steps, first step, first polynomial x to the power of 5, that is the first term of the given dividend. What is the first term? X power 5. It should be divided by the first term of the divisor, x cube. So you get x square is left, that is x square, multiply that x square by the whole polynomial, x square into x cube, x to the power of 5, since 3 plus 2 5, minus into plus minus 3x into x square, 3x cube, that's why I take 3x cube here, and next plus 1 into x square, 1x square. We change all the symbols of the second expression, plus become minus, minus become plus, and plus becomes minus. X power 5 minus x power 5, they both get cancelled. And here you know, no need to write x power 4. Actually, we are not getting this. So just neglect. It is minus 4 plus 3. Minus plus symbols are different. Therefore, go for subtraction. Big number minus small number. 4 minus 3, 1. But big number is in negative. You get minus 1x cube. This gets cancelled. And plus 3x plus 1. Now coming to the second step. Second step, x cube is the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor, x cube, and it is minus x cube. You take minus x cube, it gets cancelled. Finally we got minus 1 as the quotient. Second term of the quotient is minus 1. You multiply by minus 1 the whole expression. Minus into plus minus x cube, minus into minus plus 1 3 is a 3x, minus into plus minus 1, and finally minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus, all they get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2 is left. Here the remainder is 2. Here the remainder is not equal to 0. So therefore we can say that the first polynomial is not the factor of the second polynomial. So just like this, you try to complete the remaining problems. Then we continue the next bit. Let us discuss one more question, and this is fifth problem of fourth exercise, last exercise of the polynomials. And here we have to verify, we have to check degree of p of x should be equals to degree of q of x. We know that in division algorithm we have discussed p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x. And here you take any degree. The degree should be equals, the degree of p of x should be equals to the degree of q of x. And they should, if the degree is equal, if the degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x, then they should satisfy the division algorithm. So let us verify. Do they satisfy the division algorithm or not? First of all, take any degree. First you take the small, because it is a given polynomial. This would be given polynomial. It is nothing but dividend, and this is a quotient, or you can take as divisor. Okay, let us take, let degree, let q of x, you take the first of all, q of x is equals to, take some second degree, third degree or whatever it may be. Let me take second degree expression, second degree polynomial. Yes, I can take x square plus 2x minus 3. I have taken a second degree polynomial q of x. Here, what is the degree? Degree of q of x is 2 because it is second degree polynomial. Now you go for q of x, isn't it? Now you take p of x. Now let p of x is equals to, my dear students, particularly in this bit, while taking the polynomials, you see that the g of x, q of x must be taken first, and secondly you take p of x, but where the p of x should be the multiple of the given q of x. You should multiply. The whole expression should be multiplied either by 2 or 3 or 4. You take p of x as the multiple of this expression. That you keep in the mind to avoid the confusion. Okay, let me multiply this whole by 2. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 to the 4x, 2 3 is 6. Yes. Now, what is the degree? Degree of p of x is second degree. Yes. Now, this is verified. According to the question, degree of p of x should be equals to degree of q of x. Yes, it is verified. Like that only we have taken degree of q of x is 2, degree of p of x. Now, let us verify division algorithm. What is division algorithm? You know that. Division algorithm is dividend. What is dividend? That is p of x is equals to divisor into quotient or quotient into divisor plus remainder. That remainder is called as r of x. Remainder is called as r of x. Now you substitute p of x, that is 2x square plus 4x minus 6, and q of x, x square plus 2x minus 3 into g of x plus r of x. Now let us divide this. Let us divide this polynomial by this polynomial. If you divide this polynomial by this polynomial, then you get. Let us divide. First of all, what is this? P of x is 2x square plus 4x minus 6 should be divided by the q of x. What is q of x? That is x square plus 2x minus 3. You know that how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Follow the steps. What is the first step? First step is the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. This gets cancelled. We get 2. This 2 is called the first term of the quotient. You multiply this 2 quotient by the whole divisor. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into 2, 4x, 2 3 is 6, and minus, this becomes minus, minus becomes plus, all they get cancelled. The remainder is 0. R of x is 0. It means, and what is the q of x? What is the q of x? Then g of x is 2. Here g of x is 2 and r of x is 0. So we found r of x and the g of x. When the degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x, we have to verify the division algorithm, and by using division algorithm, you have to find the results of r of x and g of x. So this is the problem. Just like that, we have 3 more problems. You follow the same concept. Once again, I am reminding you, while taking p of x, the p of x dividend should be multiple of the remaining polynomials. Multiply by 2, 2, 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3. If you multiply by 3, it becomes 3x square, 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9. That is your wish. You can take multiple of 2, multiple of 3, like that. Okay, that's it.